am Mangalchand Agarwal. I am doing business.
This was taken mainly for my parents, because our house has 2 floors and the third floor has terrace. So we thought we need a lift now because they cannot climb the stairs.
And second thing, whenever we host parties, we host in top floor, open terrace. So my guest is also little bit aged people, so they can come and enjoy the party. Otherwise, they will not come actually.
One of my friends, he had installed this lift in Indore. I had seen the lift in his house, and then I thought this is the perfect lift for my house. Yeah, that's how I came to know.
Actually, this is very convenient in the way we have not to dig or to install. Installation is very easy. As it is, they bring and within 2 days install. They are installed and hold the lift actually. So no inconvenience has done to anybody, and no digging or very easy.
In terms of look, it's very good. It doesn't feel like a normal ordinary lift. The look and the feel, it's very nice. It goes around with our house interiors also. And
Everybody is appreciating actually.
yes, before my dad and my mom, they do not used to go so frequently.
We were avoiding to go
Yes.
upstairs actually. Second floor or terrace, we were avoiding. But now frequently.
But now they can go every day. In the morning, also in the evening, they can enjoy the sunrise, sunset, and like that.
Safety feature is very good. He's 6 years old. He is also going alone. So that way safety feature is very good.
Yes, when the power goes off, the lift automatically comes on the ground floor.
I understand.
That is very nice. And there is a start-stop button inside the lift. So if we do not want the lift to be used by any outsiders or guests, we can just switch it off. Yeah,
Or we don't want to children frequently use.
we can switch it off.
Switch it off.